All right, we got a no cooling call. No cooling call. Yes, I said no cooling call. It's about 2 weeks. We almost at Christmas and we still got no cooling call. About 85 degrees yesterday, which was a record high. But today it's kind of cool today, but we're still supposed to have a high of about 70, so still running no cool call. Can I just hop over here?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. Is the main one?
That's the big one.
Okay. This the one you're having problems with?
Yes.
Okay. So the master is okay, it's just this.
No.
All right, how do I get to the attic?
Right there.
Yeah, I want to take a look up here first,
Sure.
and then I'll take a look outside. All right, so this is the unit right here. So the compressor is running, feel like it. We got a lot of water in the pan, do we? It's dry. We'll hook up to it. We got about 115. Not bad. Cool out here too. So our pressures look good. It's probably gonna be our problem of those stuff in here. See the black burnt wires, burnt capacitor. I'm gonna clean this up. I hope they got it right this time. Alright, so yeah, I think that's probably our problem. You can see that capacitor right there. The little tab bucked out. Smell it too. Alright. Alright, so I had to run to get a cap. I didn't have it on here, but I was trying to look and see what they doing here. Because I think what happened, this 70 went out, so they started using this. But they common jumper wire that they use, this wire right here that they use to jump, it must have been getting too hot. So anyway, we'll just do away with the single and put a dual capacitor on here. That's the goal. sideways. I'm just trying to not blow a fuse. Alright, so we can, I shouldn't have took that all the way out. I said we can test this capacitor, but like I said, I'm thinking that's what happened. Alright, so that might not work. That'll work. So this the harm right here that they was using. This the harm. We'll do away with this jumper right here. Like it's old wire from the start. See that corroded? So they used the old wire. Alright, so I'm gonna go harm. There's a new cap. Brown for the fan. Should be a jumper right here. Common. Alright. Alright, so I'm thinking this guy right here is probably good. Let's see. If it's good, I'll just keep it. Yeah, 69 is good. Let's see what happened with this one. Let's check the fan first. Fan, I got a 3.2, so it was going out also. For the compressor, got about a 10. See what it do. right, so I wasn't 1,000% confident in my diagnosis today. So I agreed with the homeowner that I want to come back and maintenance both of those units on a warmer day. Like I said, I think in a few days from now, it's going to be back up to like 80 degrees. And I want to check those refrigerant pressures again. And I can use a pressure temperature chart. It is in the low 50s, but we make a couple more dollars on the maintenance, and I'd just rather do it on a warmer day.
All right, thanks for watching.